If you have ever experienced that brain fog where you're not just as clear as other days, this is probably gonna be the reason. So I'm gonna be cutting my carbs, and this is gonna equal to me having better focus, better clarity within the mind. Yeah, this sounds pretty weird. Have you ever heard about this? No, and that's why I'm pretty confused of why does no one ever talk about this? But you also get more drive, you get more discipline, you get more consistent. You also get better libido if that's something you care about. All through just eating less carbs. Basically, more protein, more fat. So, just meat, eggs as examples. Now, what's something in your everyday life that you'll be able to gain out of this? Me, I'm someone who's focusing on work right now. I just want to be a top performer. I'm working hard. If you know me, I'm not gonna go to college when I'm done with school. So I'm going into business and I need to work so that I can actually make money. And it means I need to optimize my lifestyle. With other words, cut carbs. I'm going to be able to work harder, longer, more focused when I work. So basically, it's just going to be a better experience overall, faster progress, etc. Now, there's also other things that you'll get from cutting your carbs. You'll be tighter. Your physique will be way tighter. And it's easier to cut. Now, let me go into both separately. Now, how are you gonna get tighter? When you cut your carbs, you're gonna lose a lot of water. It's also called bloating. I don't know if you heard about that, but bloating is basically per gram of carbs, you hold back 3 grams of water. So, me, when I was on my bulk phase, I used to eat like 350 to 400 grams of carbs. I'm gonna take it all the way down to 50. That's like a 300 gram carb drop. Multiply 3, that's 900 grams of water. That's just gonna go out of my body. 900 grams of bloat leaving my body. You can see how this is gonna make a big difference. But another benefit with this bloating leaving my body, all of this water, is I'm gonna be lighter for my calisthenics. Calisthenics is really dependent on your weight and mastering your own body weight. So let's say I'm pretty good. I'm good at my level right now. If I just lose 1 kg, my skills are gonna excel. It's gonna make a big difference because I've already learned my current body weight. It's gonna go down. Now, the third point, how are you gonna cut easier when you drop the carbs? You are fuller. That's it. You're way fuller. Protein helps with that. Fat makes you fuller for longer because it slows digestion. And you see how this is going to make cutting way easier because we all have those times you want to cut, you want to lose weight, but then you're just hungry as fuck and you end up eating more that day. You cannot do that on a cut. A cut is about consistency and discipline. And remember, you eating less carbs gives you more discipline and consistency and the drive to stick to the cut. Everything compounds. So basically, if you want to cut, just leave carbs. There's no point. Okay, sure. If you want to build more muscle, then carbs can be a little bit more effective because you have more power inside of the gym. You can get out maybe 1 or 2 extra reps. Okay, fine. Just remember about the trade-off. Is gym your number one priority or life? Because you'll maybe get a 10% boost, faster progress. If you're on a bulk and you eat carbs, you're a dumbass if you're on a cut and you eat carbs because you're not building muscle. But if you're on a bulk and you eat more carbs, 10% faster progress. And that's not little, that's a lot. if you gym 10 months, it's a whole month that you just get. But is it worth the trade-off? Basically, you're going to do worse in every other area of your life because your mental is not where it should be. You can just decide on that. If gym is your priority, with all means, eat more carbs. Again, not on a cut, that's just fucking stupid. Now to sum it up, you're gonna have better focus, better clarity, more discipline, more consistency. You're gonna get a tighter physique. Water's gonna leave your body, you're gonna be less bloated. And it's gonna make a cut way easier because you're gonna be way fuller than if you would have just ate carbs. So I already told you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut my carbs to 50, then I can still use a little bit of carbs as my pre-workout so I have the best amount of fuel for my workouts, and that's gonna be it for the whole day. No other carbs. I'm excited for this because you basically get your own brain back. You don't have that fog. There's nothing blocking the way you think, basically. This is going to be an interesting period. In 4 days, you can notice a difference. The full benefits take about a month. Just keep that in mind. But you're going to see a difference within 4 days.